Hi, I'm Dina. I am the school counselor in Haddon Heights. We just had a virtual assembly. Stand up, step in.
The first thing we're going to have to try to find out is what bullying is. Now, before we can start a show about bullying.
David Jack. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold the phone. What's going on here?
I'm sorry. This is my friend Cosmo. Everybody say, hey, Cosmo. How you doing, Cos?
It was really amazing. Mr. David Jack really made sure that it was interactive and the kids were up moving.
Who wants to play a little bully feud? Raise your hand, everybody. Raise your hand if you want to play. If you have an answer, I want you to chat that in.
It was a total of 45 minutes and there was no glitches. The technology went amazing.
I want to see what is your favorite school lunch. Okay, I see Lena. I see Emily has an answer. Let me see, Anna has an answer. Let's go with Anna's answer. Let's give it a try. Show me pizza.
It was very engaging. Everyone was able to log on with no problem. We hope to use Mr. David Jack again.